the one next to it. Okay. Alright, hey y'all, so we're heading to St. Anne's and Trelawny, right on the border from Kingston. So we're taking the north-south highway, which you guys know I'm biased because you get to see the ocean on the north-south highway more than you see it on the east-west highway. So you know, it's a peer view. We have to sit to them excited. So still, I'm also doing everything I eat in a day while on the road. We're starting off with beef patty from Tasties, from that cute little place that them have right before you hit the highway. I'm up on a diet, you know. So I'm gonna treat them. Anyway, let YouTube know say you're rocking with the channel by hitting the like button or leaving something in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Come back with the whole country run. Everything you need for your car. A windshield wiper. A windshield wiper that? Or the rubber thingy on the windshield wiper.
I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. I know there's something about you beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. Alright, honey came in and she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom door. How could I forget that I had given her an extra key? All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off me. Bengal, guys. Up on them curvy road here. Jeez, them one lane road here. And there's houses up here. This is Bengal, St. Mary. St. Anne's, yes, St. Anne's, pardon me. If you're from Bengal, St. Anne's, look on the view over there, so. If you're from Bengal, St. Anne's, or familiar with this area, big up yourself. Leave it in the comments if you know nobody from here. I used to people walk this up and down for go bus and catch taxi, and every day they walk this with groceries.
Rails crossing, so there's an active tree.
Oh, there's an active tree. Oh.
Bauxite. Or whatever them ship down here more. I don't know. It's the line here now.
Oh, the train line, yeah. It'd be nice to see a train. Bauxite, yeah, it's a bauxite. Pick up on yourself if you know nobody from this area, if you're familiar with this area. Real country. Well, I wanted to call this real country because it's still close to the town. Maybe as we go further. Oh, no. Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on foot. But we don't rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earning, the plus to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, we see blessings fall on our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that take off the load one time. I sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring like hello, brother. Say, I just shut up, saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul to get all in a live, man. Me have to talk God for the journey, the burning, so just to the plus. My gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings for all of my return. But I toast to the friends who take off the load, but time did sit down in a class, so important. Only sit the road and me go on with it, go on with it. Just so our blessings upon me. And send me to tell you my story. Just so our blessings upon me. And that's how I'm gonna give him the job. The breathe, I'm in the light. Jah knows I'm a passion ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a push. Blessings all for my life, man. I thank God for the journey, the earnings, the dust to the class.
Okay, guys, so this was Bengal. We explored Bengal. We never come out to a car, but we saw there's a semi-explored Bengal. Again, if anybody familiar with this area, let us know in the comment section. So now we're heading into Trelawny. No, we're heading into Trelawny. Oh, the bauxite. You guys are familiar with this area. I showed this area in the last. You guys remember this well, not building, but structure. This structure, I showed it in the last video. This is where they do the bauxite in. Bauxite. They can't miss this building. It look like the Tasties building where we stop the party. The port, the bauxite port. So this is where they transport the bauxite. They do something over there so with it, and then they bring it over here, so, and put it on this big ship and send it out to who needs it. Trelawny. I don't know the amount of time I come at Trelawny. I know that side. I kind of like Trelawny.
And dig up the hillside.
Yeah, and put a house there. I like Trelawny, man.
Fine, no bucket. Watch your love for like it. Why not more than your body, chocolate. Push it in, yeah, in my dick. The bottle, see you kilo fat. Why now?
How much for a jelly? $3.50. Them big, $3.50 for a big jelly. Yeah. Yeah, lemon cane. Yeah. Guys, of course, we have to stop for some jelly coconut. So out here with the jelly, man.
Identify.
Okay.
Yeah. Right one.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I can.
We have a point. I guess.
Okay. Turn it on your head. Real authentic.
She can't even drink it with her glasses on. Jesus.
It's a lot in here. Look, the camera can pick up how much in here. You can see? It's a lot. Thank you. Oh, that's good.
Hospitality.
You know what? We want one more, you know.
Same one like that.
Oh, and it's plastic straw.
How is it refreshing? They can't talk. Oh my God. That is it.
Oh, look how nice that was. Smooth. Nice, thank you.
Welcome. Refuge gas station.
Refuse gas station. Come check the coconut man. Mr. Coconut man.
Right across from the thrifty gas station.
Ask some Messiah.
Pick up yourself, Mosiah.
This is how real authentic. Look at it. Look at it. This is like jelly.
Good stuff. Good stuff.
Look how smooth it come up. No fighting it or nothing. Look at you clean it out. Just like I'm clean off mango seed. You clean.
Nothing alive.
Nothing.
Shut it right down.
That is it. Alright, y'all, we stopped for lunch at Plantation Smokehouse. Alright, y'all, so we stopped for food. Let me show y'all what I got. Festival and jerk chicken with vegetable, quesadilla, and baked mac and cheese. Yes, what I had to go. Oh, and we got juice, cucumber, and beet juice. Healthy, we said. What do you want more? Okay? What do you want more? Yeah. Is that what you get free? Or not? Is that what you get free? And not two. The best one night, you want one? It's not too sweet. Very refreshing. This is good. It's nice. Taste it very nice. I think I like that. Never done well. Them juice are real juice. It's not, you know, some juice are too sweet, too overpowering. Yeah. 10 out of 10. Food nice. Get the quesadilla. Get the quesadilla. Get the festival. But not ask twice. If you come Plantation Smokehouse, get the quesadilla and then come back to this video and say, yes, Shan, you were right. I was not staring around. This was good. And them have karaoke on Wednesday nights. Them have live band on Friday night. And Sizzler Kalandri is coming to perform Father's Day, June 15th, 2025. So if you see this before it and you can come. Right, so Sizzler gonna perform. Imagine how parking you're gonna be. Oh gosh. If I was closer, I would have come, but we have Father's Day plans. So if you guys can make it, come out. So we went back to the pudding place. This time they had banana, pumpkin, and carrot. I got the banana and the pumpkin. Never get the carrot. Next time we'll get carrot. But you know, we're full mindful of our diet. You know, diet. They're both. And this is no idea which one this is, but we'll try it. You want something? This probably pumpkin. Pumpkin? Probably. Or banana. Banana. It's soft and yes.
And they make it outside. The well.
And then this one now is the pumpkin then. Oh yeah, this is definitely pumpkin. Without a doubt, this is pumpkin. Watch out, man, the pumpkin stand up in a day. Tastes good, no? I said this moist and nice.
This one came with competition. It's whatever.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a good thing when I live close because I can see myself coming here quite often. Alright, we make a quick stop at this area called Jacksall. Jacksall, right? To the souvenir shop. Ooh, let's go in there. Oh, it's shiny. Hello, the Chinese symbol. Thank you. Hello. Hola. The amount of pudding where I eat though, we're not ready for this yet. Oh no, you're not in there. You're not in there. I'm not forgetting that. For cover up the pudding. Alright, this. Ice cream, plant-based ice cream. Let's see what this is all about. Hello, hello. Hi. Everything is plant-based?
All ice cream, the bread, and the muffin.
I think I want to try the jackfruit. This sounds cute. It's gonna be. Look how huge. Jeez, how cute. Are we said diet don't? So what's the flavor? It don't not overly sweet. What color should I do? Red? I will do different colors. Why you take up so much of your wall? It's extra hot. And that is it. A full day eating on a country run. I promise you guys, my diet I start this week. I promise. Promise. Well, to big up on yourself, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. The support means so much to me. I see the comments, I see the likes, y'all. Thank you so much. Don't forget, if you haven't already, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave something in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next one. On a big up on yourself. Take care.
Jamaica, Jamaica, hey. Jamaica, Jamaica, hey. Jamaica, Jamaica, hey. Jamaica, Jamaica.